Hello and thanks for tuning in to the Backyard Bushcrafter, where we teach you how to survive when you can only count on yourself. Today we're going to look at a magnesium ferrous fire starter, and this is going to be ideal in survival, especially if you're in a wet area or anything, because this block can get wet. It can go through a lot of stuff. I've had this one about 6 or 7 years. This is a cheap Harbor Freight one. You need fire to sanitize things, your water, to fight off predators, to cook your prey. So it's a really good, useful tool to have, especially in a survival situation. So it comes with a little saw blade, the magnesium ferrous steel, I guess, rod here, or the ferrous steel rod, and this is the magnesium block. So you're gonna want to get some dry stuff put together. Preferably, if you have a piece of paper, get a piece of paper. There's some hay and some twigs I have, but you're gonna want to shave about a quarter size, nickel to a quarter size, and like I said, preferably onto a paper if you can. It'll work not on a paper, but this is the easiest and fastest way to get this thing going. You want to get all those shavings down inside there. So saw down and pull out to shave. It's not easy, but it'll work. It's about 30 seconds. And you see 30 seconds. It's just a tiny little pile, so you probably want to shave about a minute to 2 minutes of shavings in there. So we'll get some more in there so we can definitely get a fire going. Alright, we got about a minute worth of shavings, and you see it didn't take much at all off that block. Just the very corner of it, not much at all. So you'll probably get many, many fire starts out of one of these. So we got it all down there in the corner. I'm going to go ahead and strike right on top of the magnesium, and let me try and open this up for you. That's a little better. So we want to strike right on top of that magnesium, and we're going to get our little burn pile right there. Going to want to strike right down on it. And there we go. As you can see, we have fire. Don't throw too much on there, you don't want to smother it. But there we are. And that's how easily you can start a fire with a magnesium fire starter. Everything's still on fire. Very easy, effective tool in keeping you alive out there. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.